card. Can you open the card?
Yeah.
So this present is from Uncle Adam. That's right, you got it. You can spin it. There's the door right there. Can you open the box?
Let me open it. She'll rip it away.
Yeah, it's fine. What is it? What is it? A ball? What is it? Yeah! What color is your helmet? Yellow helmet! Is it the yellow helmet like you wanted? Just like Elmo has. Other way around. Other way around. Can you help her? Good job, CJ. You got it. Perfect. You look great. Can you help her?
There you go. That means the straps are too short.
Okay, they just need to get adjusted.
Did Dad loosen the straps for you?
Daddy's gonna make that bigger for you. Wow! Does it fit her?
Yeah, just maybe tagged it, but it's pretty good. It probably just needs to be adjusted.
Okay, and they had those bigger pads inside. Say thank you. I love my yellow helmet. Yeah, just like Elmo. Oh, he's got eyes.